Welcome everyone, and today we are going to go to the scrapyard and we are going to try and find a reasonably used wheel bearing. Porsche 944 up there. Wonder what sort of life that had. So as you probably know, I do need a rear hub, well, wheel bearing. I think this one is the one I'd have to go for because it's the only one I can get up. Just need to tap this off and buy it, I suppose. So my good friend Adam is thankfully helping me take this hub off to get to the wheel bearing that's cased inside it, and quite a good hub nut on it. It's 30mm you need to use to take it off. It's come with a good cap as well. Honestly makes me wonder who would scrap one of these. Beautiful Ford Focus. A few nice relics there. Two old Jaguars and a Land Rover, Series 2 I think, and a nice blue, gorgeous Renault Clio that's just come in. Unfortunately we weren't able to get the drum off because it was that worn, and the shoes might have eaten into the drum itself, which in turn we weren't able to get it off anyways. And it's probably a good thing that we couldn't get it off, because if I did end up putting it on the car, then I might have to take off like 3 months down the line, which wouldn't be worth it. So I'm gonna have to see about getting a new one at some point, hopefully in the next month. So I've jacked the car up, as you can see, and I've checked the bearing for any play, and there isn't any, but it's still really noisy. And I'm just thinking, do I get the bearing changed now or in a week or so? Or do I keep using the bearing as it is until I do find some play in it? My boot's an absolute tip. I need to get that sorted at some point. And it's an absolute gorgeous day. The reason why I'm at a dilemma is because I know the hub needs changed because the bearing is inside the hub, and I'm going up to Scotland in around a month's time, so I'm wondering whether to change it now or buy a used hub and change it then, because I'm actually going to see some family up in Scotland in a month's time, so thinking I could maybe change it then. I think I might change the hub before then, because it is 350 mile away and I don't want to get stranded or hurt. Trying to think of the word then. Yeah, I think it'd be best to change it before then, just in case, just to be on the safe side. That's about it for today. Feel free to subscribe down below if you're new here, and I shall see you in the next one.